Hey, good Sunday morning to you. So this morning I'm going to be tearing down all this stuff here and start construction of my little nook area on the patio here. So I gotta tear everything out. Alright, getting my sweat on building this backyard shelf nook, and I'm so glad I took shop class. And this still may not be right, but that corner to that corner, you want to make sure it's level. There you go. So everything else will be nice and level back here. Alright, let's take a walk out to my patio and I'll show you where I'm at with this little bar nook shelf workspace area. See there? I didn't want stuff sitting on the concrete here, so I did 45-degree hold them ups right there. Now the outlet down here, I'm going to move up here. Let me put a fourplex in there. I'm going to fill in all these little holes here and then repaint everything. Now the TV, I'm not quite sure I'm going to put it there. Heck, I can just probably put it right on its stand and sit it in the corner. We'll see what I'm going to do with that. I like it mounted on the wall though. Now for back here, I'm thinking some nice cabinets. You can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. Right in here, you know, to put all your stuff. And I'm so glad I did 24 inches versus I was going to do 18 or 20. I'm so glad I went out to 24 inches. Big difference. A lot more table space. Rounded off the corner here. And I'll probably put some trim work all along here. This is the nice side right here. Also 45 this off right here. And look, little space right there for any trim work. So this is good wood. This is the sanded side right here. So it'll take paint real good. These lag bolts down there and T25 heavy duty deck screws. It's strong. This thing is strong. So it's getting a little bit too hot out here. I think I'm going to take a break, clean up some stuff in the garage and back here a little bit. And it's supposed to rain here before too long. So there we have it. So much better than that cabinet I had right there. Also get some bar stools.